Well, everybody's saying that we should do this, we should do that. But one thing I'm trying to do, very simple. Taking some oranges, some limes, and some lemons. And you take them and you simply just put them in a little juicer like this. Put it in the little juicer. Okay. And when you put it in here, you just take it and you put it in here. And you take your lemons, just put them on here like this. Turn them around. And you make lemon juice. Before I did this, what I did, I took these and I washed the outsides off. And I cleared it. And then what you do, you just do that. And you get the juice from there. And as much juice as you want. That's a little. But then what you do, you just keep on. And then actually what I've been doing, I've taken the juice from the lemon, the orange, and the lime. And what you do, you take each one of these, and there's more juice in there, but you get the gist of it, right? Now you take this right here, mix all three, and you simply take that and you drink it. It's vitamin C, it's a good flavor, and so you just take it. Of course, you know to discard the seeds. Some people might like to eat the seeds, but so that's what I do. I just slice up lots of oranges and lemons and plenty of limes. And if some people might just want to drink straight lime juice, often I get up in the morning, I'll drink just straight lemon juice. But lately I've been drinking all three together. So just something I wanted to share with you. Everybody stay healthy and stay happy.